This 12-minute video will demonstrate the Interplant Nursery Stock Finder system. Basic usage will be covered in just 5 minutes. Interplant is a stock finder system primarily for use within the nursery trade. To keep Interplant updated, nurseries only need to add an email address to their mailing list or provide us with stock list web access details, and we will do the rest. Listing stock on Interplant is that simple, while end-user access is also quick and easy, as demonstrated in the following video. Part 1. Finding Interplant and logging in. To find Interplant on the web, simply type Interplant into Google, then select Interplant Australia from the search results. Logging in is optional, but will grant higher access privileges to wholesale buyers. Do this by clicking the Login link and entering your login details. Usernames are formed using the first 2 letters from each word of your business name and are not case sensitive. However, passwords are. If you wish to change your password or other business details, you may do so by clicking on Profile near the top right of your browser window. Part 2. Basic usage. To find a plant, let's say Gardenia magnifica, you only need to type one or more parts of its name and select from a preemptive list. This also helps avoid incorrect spelling. Quite often, just any small fragment of the name is enough to find it on the list. Alternatively, you may browse for the genus first. To do this, press the spacebar once and click on Show Genus List. Start typing the genus name, or simply scroll to the genus and select it to show the entire list of species and cultivars within the genus. Again, just type part of the species or cultivar name to shorten the list and select the required plant. Search results will be displayed by smallest container first, then lowest price within the container groups. To limit the search to only certain container sizes, click on the Sizes box and select the sizes you require. In the search results, click on a vendor's name to view their information. Below the vendor's contact and business information, you will see 2 groups of links. Product lists contain the Interplant listed stock files, along with all the vendor's own raw stock list files. Specified product contains only files listing the plant you searched for, plus any links to pages containing the plant name on the vendor's website. Part 3. Extended usage. For this example, we will search for Corymbia ficifolia. Again, you only need to type parts of its name. Product detail can be used to find stock items annotated with specific extra detail. For example, grafted, topiary, etc. Just press the spacebar in this box to list some examples of product detail which a vendor may have specified. The Search Scope selection box may extend your search beyond the Interplant listed stock to search for similar items on the vendor's raw stock lists or websites. It may also be used to limit the search to more recently updated stock. Refined search will allow you to limit your search by other criteria. More on this in Part 4. Part 4. Refined search. For this example, we will search for Morea paniculata. Click Refined Search. Use the price spinners to restrict your search to products within a certain price range. Use Product Match Type to limit your search to only those products which exactly match the name. For example, only the species but not all cultivars of the species. Use Suburb or Postcode in combination with Max Kilometres to limit your search only to vendors within a certain maximum distance from your location. Use Business Name Containing to limit your search to a specific vendor. Part 5. The Pick List. To aid in compiling orders and to enable registered users to send availability requests to vendors, the pick list may be used. This time we'll just enter Standard in the product detail box to find all standards and topiaries. Simply click on Add for any vendor listed under a product of interest. If at any time you want to view your selections, click on Show Pick List. Once you have compiled a pick list, you may query each vendor for availability and price. To do this, fill in the required quantities of each item and click Create RFQ. Edit the form as required. We will change the vendor's email here to our own email for the purpose of the demo. When done, click Send RFQ and click OK when the Confirm dialog box appears. Repeat as required for each vendor on the pick list. That concludes this demonstration video. Thank you for watching.